Good morning, all. Today's topic is the method of preparing food. So, there are different types of methods to prepare food. All the food items have been not prepared in a same way. Rice is boiled and is cooked, whereas idlis, we not it is not needed to boil; it has to be steamed. So, in the same way, peanuts are roasted and fish is cooked by deep frying method. So here in table number 5 they have given the methods of preparing food and the food items examples. So the methods of preparing food are boiling, steaming, fermentation, roasting and deep frying. Fermentation, idli batter and dosa batter is prepared by fermentation. They are mixed before night and they left it overnight. So in this overnight a kind of good bacteria grows. So this process is called as fermentation. So and some other methods of preparing food are shallow frying, deep frying, chopping and mixing. For vegetable salad we have to chop it and mix, and cutting and mixing. So these are the methods of preparing the food in different ways. Now we have to know about the tasting food. Yes. How do the food gets taste? By adding all the ingredients. Here they have given the preparation of tomato curry, and it's very important in this chapter. In your exam, write about your favorite dish recipe. This question is very important. Recipe of tomato curry. First of all, you have to clean all the vegetables. So take a pan, add 2 spoons of oil and add jeera, mustard, bengal gram, ginger paste, turmeric powder. Then fry it for 2-3 minutes. The next add the tomatoes and let it boil for 5 minutes and add salt according to your taste. Then after 2 minutes you can serve it. So this is the recipe of tomato curry. Now please take your mother's help and just go through the recipe of your favorite food item like Maggi. It's very easy. Or the favorite food item like upma. So this is very important in this chapter. Next, let us cook. What is your favorite cook? So please take a note and write the preparation of your favorite food item, the recipe of upma or the recipe of Maggi. This is your homework today. Next, going into the topic preservation of food. So unless we talk about the preservation of food, the topic of the food is incomplete. So how do the farmers preserve the harvested crops? They use winnowing method and they'll keep in the sunlight. They'll dry the harvested crops in the sunlight. Then it is preserved. In the same way, there are different methods of preserving for the different food items. In coastal regions, this is a way fish is being smoked for preservation. Now pickles. Coming to pickles are preserved by adding salt and turmeric powder. Why does the rice get spoiled within one day and why does not the pickles get spoiled for long days? Because in the rice we add only water and we will boil it and then we'll cook it. So after one day a kind of bacteria, microorganisms will grow in the food. So the food gets spoiled within one day. We are not adding any types of preservative in the rice. Whereas in the pickles we are adding salt and turmeric. So these two are called as the good preservatives which preserves the pickles for long days. So this is a type of preserving method. And next method is drying. Some fishes have been dried in the sunlight for preservation, and some snack items have been dried, and some mango pieces also can be preserved by drying, and some methods by adding only salt. Yes. Next, sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is a good preservative. We can use this to preserve jam, fruit jam. Fruit jam, it's a daily routine food item that we use in our daily life. So this jam is preserved by adding sugar syrup. Or now when you are buying any food item from outside like chips packet or a biscuit packet, it's very important to see the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date. So when you buy a chips packet, just read the wrapper. They have given the ingredients present in the packet as well as the manufacturing date and expiry date. So after expiry date, we should not consume such kind of packets. The expiry date is given because they are adding some preservatives to preserve the food for that particular date. Suppose it is manufactured for only 1 year, we have to consume it before 1 year. After that, the preservatives will not stop the growth of the microorganisms. So after that, we have to see the expiry date and we have to use it. Now they have given in figure number 5 the picture. This is a vegetable carving. So take any one kind of vegetable and try to do a small vegetable carving. It's very interesting for you. Science itself is an interesting subject, is it? So please take a small vegetable and once try small carving. It will help you for in the project work also. So till now in this chapter we have learned about the ingredients, preparation, preservatives, condiments and vegetable carving. So what we have learned, just we'll have a glance. We get food from the plants and animals. For cooking food we need different types of ingredients. We use different parts of plants like stems, roots, flowers and fruits as food. The taste of the food is based on the ingredients. So the method of the preparation of cultural practices of the region. Boiling, steaming, fermentation, drying are the methods of the preparing food. And we use preservatives to preserve the food for some time. So these are all the things we have learned in this chapter. So today's homework is write your favorite food items recipe as well as do a small carving with the help of your mother. Thank you.